G'day guys, welcome to this week's vlog and welcome to New Zealand. I'm currently on the South Island at Lake Hawea in New Zealand, and I'm here on a family holiday, and my plan is I'm staying at Lake Hawea tonight, and then tomorrow I'm going to Wanaka and I'm going to shoot that Wanaka tree, the famous Wanaka tree that everyone else has got the shot. And I realised that I'll probably just get the same shot that everyone else has got, but hey, I'm here, so why not? I'm going to head out there tomorrow morning and try and grab a shot of the Wanaka tree. But yeah, just what a stunning place the South Island of New Zealand is. I've just been here on holidays for the last 2 weeks and just travelling around and grabbing images of New Zealand where I can. But yeah, just what a beautiful country, absolutely stunning lakes and mountains, and yeah, really looking forward to getting out to the lone tree at Wanaka tomorrow to try and get a shot. I'm going to continue taking some images over this holiday, and then I'll put them all up at the end of the vlog. My plan is to try and come here in the late winter, and when the snow's starting to melt, and hopefully do some more landscape photography. This was more about coming here, scouting out some locations and having a holiday, but let me say I haven't been disappointed. So what are my expectations for tomorrow morning? Not a lot. I'm just going to go there and try and shoot it. I know there's probably going to be a lot of photographers there, and I know I'll probably end up with the same shot that everyone else has got. But when you're here and you see how much beauty there is surrounding this area, why not go and get a shot of it? So going to head out there at sunrise tomorrow morning, try and grab an image of the lone tree, and then hopefully off to Mount Cook the next day. But for the moment I'm just enjoying the beautiful Lake Hawea. Good morning, welcome to the lone tree in Wanaka. I've been here shooting all morning along with a lot of other photographers, and I finally moved back up along the lake edge here, and I'm currently trying the long lens, and I'm going for a long exposure. Now I've got some really beautiful light on the tree, so I'm just going to keep focusing in on that and try and get a long exposure. The sun's well and truly up here at Wanaka, and as you can see, quite a few photographers here this morning, so I didn't have a chance to do any vlogging, but I managed to capture a couple of long exposures when we had some really beautiful light. We've got this wonderful cloud inversion this morning just below the ranges near the tree, and yeah, really looks spectacular. Currently I've got the 70 to 200 lens on, and I've actually just focused in on the tree, and I've got a 10 stop filter in there at the moment taking a long exposure, so we'll see how that one comes out. Just going with the 10 stopper at the moment on the 70 to 200 lens, trying to get a long exposure here at the lone tree. The light's starting to get quite harsh now, but I'm going to try and see if I can get a long exposure here. Now some of the crowds have started to clear out. Just an absolutely stunning morning here. I'm just waiting for the sun to rise across the mountain range in the back there, and yeah, just waiting to get a little bit more light, get my camera set up, and then I'm going to try and capture an image of this beautiful location. We're starting to get some beautiful light here on the edge of Lake Hawea, and what I've done this morning, I've actually brought my camera right down low, and I've got this one lonely rock right on the edge of the lake here that I'm using as foreground interest, and I'm shooting up the lake. The lake's about 35 kilometers long, and I'm going to use these two mountain ranges on either side with this cloud cover above the mountain range. I'm hoping that I'll get a little bit of color as the sun comes across the top of the horizon. But yeah, what a stunning morning here on this beautiful lake. So I'm going to keep working on my camera. I'll come back and I'll talk to you shortly. Firing away some shots here. We've just got a little bit of colour started to appear out on the back of the lake, but I'm not sure how much more colour I'm going to get. I don't think it's going to be too dramatic, but certainly enough to create some interest out in the distance. And yeah, so far the shots look really lovely. I'm really happy with them. Finally starting to get some colour in these clouds, and this is what I was hoping for. I've currently got a 6-stop filter in, and I'm running about a 1 minute exposure, and I'm being able to blur all those clouds out and get some beautiful colour in them, and beautiful streaking across the skyline. So what a morning. We're just starting to get some peaks on the mountain ranges now and some beautiful light on them. So I'm going to take a couple more shots here, and then I might even pull out the long lens and try and get a couple of shots of the peaks with this beautiful sun just starting to touch on the edge of the mountain. Absolutely beautiful. That's it for today's vlog from Lake Hawea in New Zealand. If you've enjoyed this vlog, you know what to do. Go down below, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, then please subscribe, tap the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Hopefully I'll be around shooting some more landscape soon. I'll see you then. I know it looks stupid, but if it saves me getting sandfly bites, I'll do it.